Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Yes, I was already working in BHEL or PSU, but the scope that these services provide and the opportunity to grow and also simultaneously contribute to society. So they are a wholesome package for realizing one's own potential in the favor of the nation. So I chose this service. No, ma'am, this is my second attempt. I gave my first when I was working. So while working, I gave one, and after I could not clear my prelims, so I left my job and started preparing. My strategy was quite simple, following the standard books that have been prescribed. And apart from that, multiple revisions. I revised a lot of times and supplementing my conventional resources with unconventional ones, like videos are available and these kind of tutorials to keep myself afresh. So this was my strategy, and giving a lot of mock tests, both for prelims and for mains, as well as for interviews as well. I came to know about Unacademy while I was in my job. It was my first year of job. So since I could not join any coaching at that time, I wanted to know about these services. I could access it wherever I wanted, whenever I had time. And also in 2018, when 18 or it was 19 January, when Mrunal sir launched his own economics series. So I joined it to get a first-hand experience, and it was very helpful to me. So that from then onwards, I visited Unacademy videos for reference, also for history, etc. Wherever I found difficulty, I used it. In 2019, I subscribed for a paid. I had a paid subscription for about 3 or 4 months. So I completed my important videos from there. After that, I also subscribed to a YouTube channel. So I used to get all these history and sociology, all these things. Channel was really knowledgeable, and they added to my own base of knowledge. They were really helpful in identifying my mistakes, which I was unable to do it myself. So they told me on how to correct upon them. And their own administrative experience that they had, they were all retired bureaucrats and academicians. So their point of view also helped me enlarge my own and form my opinion in that direction. Ma'am, the questions were ranging from all sort of fields. For example, from administrative, they asked me about corruption. And I gave them answers what I had in my mind or what I have read. And they provided me more innovative solutions to it, which were more practical and that could be done. So there were questions about the COVID pandemic. Despite reading it multiple times, there were questions that I could not answer. So it provided me how to fine-tune my preparation. There were questions about my optional from my native place. All sort of questions were asked and simultaneously feedback on all of them. My experience has been really nice and smooth. They have been very responsive right from the first day when I signed in for the interview program. I got these helpful materials like interview transcripts of previous year toppers and important current affair compilations. Regularly, I would get mail letters whereby there would be some kind of topics which should be covered. Also, when I did not want to give my interview on a particular date, so they were quite flexible about it. And there was a lot of smoothness and responsiveness from the team. I'm thankful to them. I would tell them never to give up and keep revising, keep practicing. Only practice can make you sail through. And don't hesitate in using unconventional sources like videos and everything, because sometimes UPSC tends to go beyond books. So these videos can provide you a sense of completeness in a subject. So be unconventional and have thorough revision multiple times and don't give up ever.